Welcome back to the spodiest page of the YouTube universe, K-Mac, TMI, 3438. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification, thumbs up, the like, comment, and share on all videos. Follow me on all platforms. That way you can contact me, DM me, send me videos to react to. Now that we got the hard part out the way, let's get to today's video. It's K-Mac. What the fuck? So we back. Today we got footage. Not sure exactly what state or what city this is in, but basically we got footage, man, of a young gentleman, man, walks in a courtroom. Believe he's actually a district attorney, you know, with the district attorney's office, and he goes to sit down, you know, where the district attorney sits down in the courtroom, and the bailiff, you know, he goes off on him, man, like, hey, man, you're sitting in the wrong spot, get back there with the defendants, or if you're a witness or whatever, man. And he goes all the way in. He does not get this man a chance to explain himself and what he is there for. You know, he just goes all the way in and just give a verbal assault on this man, you know, and at some point it kind of gets a little racist, you know. So but then at the end, he eventually gives this man a chance to tell him, you know, hey, man, I'm with the district attorney's office, and if you want to be the one to let them know why I left, we can do that, you know. And right after that, man, the bailiff got his shit together, man, and start calling the man sir, you know, real fast after disrespecting the man for for like 4 to 5 minutes, you know. So but I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. We're gonna check out this video, and man, y'all leave y'all comments, let me know what y'all think, man. You know, y'all be tapping in, but y'all ain't leaving y'all comments. Leave y'all comments, let me know what y'all think about every video, man. You know, it ain't gotta be long, it ain't gotta be, you know, it could be short, it could be whatever, man. Just let me know what y'all think about the shit that I'm commentating on, man. So until the next video, it's K-Mac. What the fuck?
Hopefully today's a good day. Hey, what? Nope.
In this real courtroom encounter, a public defender is mistaken for a defendant by a bailiff. Under 18 U.S. Code Section 242, denying someone their lawful role in court is a federal civil rights violation. Watch how one wrong assumption nearly derails justice.
No. What are you doing? Are you here for court, I assume?
Yes, I am.
You see all these seats here. I don't know why you would think that sitting here is appropriate. If you're here for court, sit in the back with all the other defendants, and I'll call you, or the prosecuting attorney will call you when they're ready for you to defend yourself, okay?
Okay.
Or your defending attorney will probably come in here. I'm assuming you have an attorney appointed to you. You're here for court, right?
I'm here for court.
You're right. If you're here for court, then
I'm not here for the reasons that
you don't know. I don't care what you're here for when your defense attorney that's been appointed to you by the state gets here, because I'm sure you had a state appointed attorney. They'll come find you. They say, are you, Jimmy Johnson or whatever?
Are you okay? Hey, did I do something wrong?
What?
Did I do something wrong?
Yes, absolutely. You walk into my courtroom, you sit down where you don't belong. Obviously, you see the other defendants back there where they belong.
I'm not with them.
Okay, I'm
not here for the reason that you're thinking.
I'm not saying you guys all have the same case. Even if you're all independent cases, even if you don't know each other, even though I'm sure you guys know each other in some does, right? So if you go back and sit with the other defendants where the defendants belong, instead of sitting here where this is for the prosecuting, or this is for the defense attorney. So unless you're going to be defending somebody, and if you want to defend yourself, cool, you can have that conversation with the judge when they get here.
I 100% respect what you're doing, sir.
Are you here for court?
I understand. I am here for court.
Then there's no more things to discuss. Go sit where the court defendants do.
You have a job to do.
Right.
Please, why are you just assuming that I belong in the back?
Why would there be an assumption? Do I keep things under control in a courtroom? Yes. That's not an assumption. That's just the way it is. I'm not assuming you sat down. You sat down where you don't belong. Defendants and witnesses, I apologize if I assumed you were a defendant. Maybe you're a witness. Maybe you saw one of them do or don't do something. Maybe you're a small business owner. Great, I'm glad you worked your way up. I'm glad you own a small business or whatever it is that you've accomplished, a button-up shirt with no tie, right? So you're almost there. You're almost there. Now get the hell out of my seat. This is for lawyers. This is for litigators.
Why are you coming? First of all, why are you attacking me like this?
Attacking you. You're in my space.
If you want me to move, there's a proper way to do it. If you're assuming that I don't belong here, please let's not do this.
This is quite literally
Ask proper questions. Proper.
How would you know the proper questions? Are you the bailiff? I'm the bailiff.
Why are you so upset?
Because you're coming into my space trying to tell me how to do my job. What does it matter? Bailiff Thompson, what does it matter?
Okay, so what did I do so wrong to you?
You came and sat where you don't belong. This is for defending attorneys and other litigators, prosecuting attorneys or defense attorneys, depending on which way the judge approaches it and who kind of gets here first. But at no point do the defendants or the witnesses or the whatever you're here to defend your homeboys on or whatever, that's not here. You don't sit here. You don't walk up on me, a man of the law, the bailiff, in uniform, and just sit down.
Today?
What?
Did everyone or anyone at all explain to you what's going on?
Same as every day.
And who's in the building?
Defendants in the back and litigators at the tables. Why would it? Have you ever seen a movie or a show? Have you ever seen Law and Order? I'm sure you've seen Cops, right? You got family and friends that have been on there?
I'm sure you've seen Cops.
Oh, right. Absolutely. I love the hardworking men of the law. Those are some of my favorite humans.
Some of them do a great job.
Most of us do a great job. Sometimes they get caught up dealing with people like you, walking around like you own the place.
Like
sometimes they get caught kind of having to draw a line. Now, don't make me draw a line I don't want to have to draw. You want me to draw a line like they do on Cops? How does that work out for your people?
I can see that you're angry.
How does that work out for your people? I'm so pissed off that you're in my space.
I'm here representing the DA, right? I'm sorry no one explained that to you, but I'm actually here representing the DA.
You're the litigator.
If you want to explain to him why I just left or why this court case go horribly wrong because of your assumption and your attitude.
No, I'm so sorry.
Right?
I didn't know you were the lawyer.
Do that to him.
I didn't know you were the lawyer.
You just assumed I was someone else.
You seem like a defendant.
Oh, I'm just wearing a button up. I'm just here with this paperwork, and I don't know what you assume. Maybe it's the color of my skin. Unbelievable.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
I mean, you didn't even ask like a civilized question. I could have told you exactly who I was from the beginning.
You're right.
What is the problem, dude?
What the fuck? This hoe wants some zannies in a perk. Fuck her puss, I just get it out her purse. What the fuck? I'll forever keep it rolling. Infant lokes, blowing woods in the bins like it's stolen. What the fuck? On hood, what the fuck? Dead homies, what the fuck? Gang of Crips, what the fuck? It's K-Mac, what the fuck?